Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, March 13 to 15, 2023. This is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Now College Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GravSat, and it looks like we have another surge of the northeast monsoon now moving downwards across extreme northern Luzon, including Batanes and Batanes Group. So visi conditions of 30 to 60 kph with some cloudiness and drizzles. Rain showers will be expected particularly over Batanes because alongside with this northeast monsoon is the shear line of a cold front right here over to the south of Japan. So it will bring some sprinkles, drizzles, light showers across Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands. Meanwhile, across eastern Luzon, Calabarzon, Metro Manila, Bicol Region, Mimaropa, Panatag Shoal, and also the Calayan Island Group, including Scarborough. We already mentioned it, Panatag Shoal, and also here over the Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, we have the weak Amihan, or the northeasterly surface wind flow. There is some cloudiness that will bring some cloudy conditions across various sections of Luzon. And over at Mindanao, we have another different weather system. And this is a shallow LPA. This has been observed for the past few days, and it's now approaching Mindanao. It's starting to organize, but it's not expected to reach tropical depression status. Within the next 2 days, it will start to dissipate as it traverses the island of Mindanao. So, because we still have the effects of La Nina, although La Nina has officially ended, the effects will still continue until the month of May or June. So we expect above average rainfall just like today, and in the next couple of days, the shallow LPA will bring more downpour across the island of Mindanao. So please take all necessary precautions for possible flooding and landslide, which is currently at medium and it's likely to go up to high if this convective cloudiness of shallow LPA will continue to persist through the next 24 hours. Outside of PAR, it's all quiet on the eastern side of the western Pacific. Now let's take a look at the fast animation. So this is now the formative convection of LPA, shallow LPA or weak LPA over to the east of Mati City, Davao Oriental, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain dry, hot, sunny, with just right temperatures, not yet reaching more than 30 degrees. So let's enjoy these last few weeks of the cool, dry season as we enter the hot, dry season, which is slated either next week or during the last week of March. And here's the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. As you can observe here, the former cloudiness of this LPA, its trough, is beginning to dissipate, but we have another one forming here within the central part of the circulation, and it's starting to become broader, and rainfall and possible thunderstorms will be expected across Davao Oriental, Davao del Oro, as well as Davao City, Davao del Sur area. So expect rain showers and thunderstorms for the next 24 hours. So if we take a look on the infrared, those are heavy thunderstorm clusters of thunderstorms developing over eastern Mindanao or in the vicinity of Davao Oriental. That includes Mati City. So that's the latest from our windy.com satellite animation from UMEDSAT. Let's take a look now on the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days. So tomorrow, Tuesday, the LPA will still remain to the east of Davao Oriental, remain as a shallow one, and the northeast monsoon over extreme northern Luzon will start to weaken, and just northeasterly wind flow blowing across Bicol region and other parts of eastern Luzon, Mimaropa, and Visayas, including Sulu Archipelago, with winds of up to 40 kph. Now on Wednesday afternoon, that LPA will start to decay and will dissipate as it moves closer towards the coastal waters of eastern Mindanao. On Thursday afternoon, the same wind condition will be expected. Light to moderate northeasterly wind flow across eastern Luzon, Bicol region, Mimaropa, Visayas, and Sulu Archipelago, including Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands along the extreme northern parts of Luzon, and also the coastal waters of Ilocos Norte. So, that's the latest from the wind forecast. Let's take a look at the rain forecast. This is the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. As you can see, for the next 3 days until Thursday, we expect more thunderstorms to occur across Mindanao, particularly the eastern and central sections of this island. And some showers will also be expected across eastern Visayas and the eastern sections of Sorsogon or Albay, and also over eastern Catanduanes, while possible local thunderstorm or rain showers will also be expected over eastern sections of northern Quezon and some other parts of Visayas. Okay, so far that's the latest for this Monday evening until Wednesday, and we will return in the next couple of days from Typhoon 2000. This has been Mike Padua saying good night to all, and stay safe always. Thank you so much for watching our channel.